Why companies are asking a relief letter from your side? Okay, you have experience, you have wonderful experience, you can able to manage in the project. Then why they are expecting documents from your side? Okay, there are two major reasons. First reason is definitely during the discussion of your technical interview, they will evaluate your skill. They identified, right? You are suitable for this role. That is why they selected and informing to HR. Okay. Then why they are asking relief letter? What is the reason? Okay. As I mentioned, two major reasons. The first thing is companies don't believe you. Okay, there are too many people coming up with wrong documents, so that companies don't believe you. That is why they have different team. A team called background verification. They will identify. They will check whether the provided information is good or wrong. Okay, it is right or wrong. Okay, that is why they want to verify your experience as well as your educational details. Okay, so this is the first reason. And second major reason is as per employment. Okay, as per your offer letter, each and every offer letter, wherever you work, you can check your past offer letter also. Okay, you supposed to use your 8 hours potential per day to one organization only, which means you should not work anywhere during the working hours. It may be night shift or day shift, that doesn't matter. Okay, you supposed to work to other organization parallelly. Okay, if you work that, the other organizations, assume that you are working in company A and B, you joined first in company A and joined second in company B. Company B can able to raise a case to company A, or company A can raise case to company B. Both the people can approach legally why you are using my resource without my knowledge. Okay, so both the people can raise the case to each other. They can get the benefit. That is why most of the employer asking relief letter. If you work company A and parallelly if you continue work in company B, company A can raise legal notice to company B and they can get some benefit, amount benefit, financial benefit from the company B. So if they give the opportunity to you, they need to pay lot of penalty. Okay, so please understand, that is why people are asking wherever you work previous company, we need relieving letter, which means sign off documents, which means you stop your work from there. Simple. Okay, so after uploading lot of videos on terminations, okay, first of all, past few days I have been uploading most of the videos in dual employment termination, because most of the people coming up with this problem, which means in the market we have huge problem in the termination and absconding and dual employment. Please understand, that is why I'm uploading videos. There are a lot of videos I uploaded. If you have any background verification related problems, you can approach. However, sensitive informations, if you need to approach me, because there are too many fake followers, wrong people, negative people. They will misuse our information in wrong direction. They will misuse our solution in wrong direction. As I mentioned, this is genuine platform. If you need solution, you need to approach to me. But okay, the problem is, before approaching the organization, you need to approach me. So many people are approaching to me. They are already joined. After joined, they identified your termination and asking relief letter. At the time, don't approach to me. I don't have any solution. In this case, for futures company, I can give solution. Okay. So the point is, before joining to the organization, you need to approach to me. Then only I can able to give solution. Most of the people after joined, once they joined, they will identify everything based on your PF account, and they will ask relief letter from your termination company. At the time, even no one can help you. Here also they will terminate you. That is 100% true. Okay, so why I am talking negative things? Because what is happening in the market, that is what I need to educate, right? Okay, and discussing with you and wasting your time is not benefit for both of us. Okay, we need to use the time in valuable. And of course, for future company, definitely I will ready to give solution. Once you've done your payment, I will give you my mail ID and UPI also available in this video description. You can contact to me. For future company, definitely I will help you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, if you find this video is good for you, please share your friends and help others if they before fixing the problem, or prevention is better than cure, right? Before joining, if they watch this video, they will be get benefit, they will avoid, they will stop termination. Thank you so much for watching this video, and always give support and give thumbs up. Take care. Bye bye.